Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set USB connection mode on SONY ZV-E10 Mark II. So basically all we have to do to change the connection mode is switch on the camera, then open the USB-C tray on the left edge of our camera and connect our USB-C cable that comes from our PC to the camera. After that, having your camera enabled, you will see this connection mode list where you can choose whether you want to live stream, transfer images, or remote shoot from your PC. If you want to charge your camera, you have to switch it off. This will enable charging only mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.